Domestic violence and escalated conflict have played out in many cases involving youth. Fully aware of this, the Royal Bahamas Police Force South and Central Division is holding a series of seminars for students from a number of high schools, teaching them about the importance of healthy relationships. Speakers at the Kickstarter seminar, Minister of National Security, the Honorable Marvin Dames, and Director of the Bahamas Crisis Center, Donna Nichols, spoke about research previously conducted involving youth on the issue of domestic violence and about what can be done to develop conflict resolution.
In 2014, studies conducted by the University of the Bahamas and the Crisis Center with secondary high school students in the Bahamas felt that it was acceptable for their girlfriend or boyfriend to be controlling, and both boys and girls were equally likely to think that it was satisfactory for their partners to be jealous. The study further revealed that both boys and girls subjected each other and were subjected to controlling behaviors and violence in their relationships.
We really promote healthy relationships because that's the way, if children understand how to have a healthy relationship first with themselves, and then they can understand how to have healthy relationships with everybody else, then we will really have a way to deal with violence in relationships where we understand how to work with each other and so on. Part of it too has to do with really deconstructing some of the negative ideals and the negative narratives that people carry on from what we would call historic structural patriarchal ideas.
Nichols also noted two initial steps the community can take to begin the deconstruction of violent and unhealthy relationships.
First of all, recognize that it does exist and it happens too much. And the second thing, to get information, find out what happens in violent relationships, what's a cycle of violence, what's the underlying causes of all these things. And then some people have to work with men, some work with women, some like this, you work with children. So it's really about all of us plugging into what the big picture is.